Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Level 5 account, the map fragment, and 3 signal flares ready in your inventory. Next, choose a daytime mission window because spawns are more predictable. This increases search efficiency. Once done, fast travel to the grassy ridge nearest the east marker and deploy your map fragment to reveal the first clue node. Keep movement steady. Avoid sprinting unless necessary, so you don't disturb hidden spawn triggers and waste flare resources. You progress by following each revealed clue node in sequence, paying attention to color patterns because they indicate required interaction type. When a rare spawn appears, use one flare to secure the encounter and trigger badge progress. Make sure to manage stamina, keep it around 60% and rest for 10 seconds between scans to let sensors reset. Otherwise, nodes deactivate. Also, reposition slightly after each interaction to avoid overlapping spawn zones and to register distinct search. Finish by completing the final node ritual at the sunset marker. Place remaining flare, activate the fragment, and perform the interaction sequence the game shows. Once the ritual completes, return to NPC Archer to turn in gathered evidence and claim the search party badge immediately. If the badge doesn't register, relog and replay just the final node within 5 minutes. This refreshes server state and usually resolves sync issues. If problems persist, clear cache and attempt the ritual again during a different in-game hour.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.